Welcome to Good to Know. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey to explore the vibrant city of Dubai, a city that has always been ahead of the curve. From its humble beginnings as a trading post to its current status as a global hub for finance, tourism, and business, Dubai has continuously adapted to change and conquered challenges along the way. Over the years, Dubai has faced its fair share of obstacles, from the global financial crisis in 2022. Yet, like a phoenix rising from the ashes, Dubai's resilience has shone through, allowing the city to grow and evolve. Today, Dubai stands tall as one of the most dynamic and prosperous cities in the world. Its economy is diverse and flourishing, positioning itself to harness the trends shaping the global economy. But it hasn't been all smooth sailing. Dubai faces some unique challenges. One of the biggest hurdles is the decline in oil prices. Though not a major oil producer, the city has traditionally relied on oil revenues to fuel its development. As oil prices dipped, Dubai had to innovate and find new ways to generate revenue. Another challenge lies in attracting and retaining talent. As a cosmopolitan city, Dubai has a large expatriate population. However, it faces stiff competition from other global cities in luring top talent. To address this, Dubai is investing heavily in education and training, cultivating a skilled and adaptable workforce. And let's not forget the importance of fostering a welcoming environment for businesses and entrepreneurs. Dubai recognizes the need to create an ecosystem that nurtures innovation and supports the growth of startups and small businesses. Despite these challenges, Dubai's economy is rife with opportunities, brimming with potential for further growth and prosperity. One of the most promising opportunities lies in the digital economy. Dubai is perfectly positioned to become a major tech hub, boasting a young and tech-savvy population. Massive investments in infrastructure and education set the stage for technological advancement. Let's not forget tourism, a sector Dubai already dominates. But the city doesn't rest on its laurels. Through continuous investment in new attractions and amenities, Dubai aims to entice even more visitors from around the globe. As a global trading hub, Dubai is poised to reap the rewards of international trade growth. Its robust infrastructure and business-friendly environment make it an attractive destination for companies seeking expansion. Dubai understands that progress comes from confronting challenges head-on and seizing opportunities with determination. To reduce reliance on oil revenues, Dubai has set its sights on diversification. The city is fostering an environment that encourages startups and entrepreneurship, driving innovation in emerging industries like renewable energy and advanced technology. Recognizing that its most valuable resource is its people, Dubai's commitment to talent development continues. Education and training programs are designed to equip individuals with the skills needed to thrive in the rapidly evolving global economy. Dubai is embracing sustainability as a core principle. A pioneer in green initiatives, the city is at the forefront of renewable energy projects, environmental conservation, and sustainable urban planning. The future is digital, and Dubai is leading the charge. Leveraging its tech-savvy population, the city is embracing artificial intelligence, blockchain, and smart city solutions to streamline processes and enhance the lives of its residents. Dubai's commitment to tourism is unwavering. The city continues to enrich its attractions, fostering cultural experiences and eco-tourism initiatives that appeal to an ever-growing audience of global travelers. To solidify its position as a global trade hub, Dubai is building strong partnerships and trade relations worldwide. By expanding its presence in emerging markets and securing strategic trade agreements, the city is prepared to unlock new economic opportunities. Dubai's journey towards becoming a global economic powerhouse is a testament to its ingenuity, resilience, and progressive vision. By addressing challenges head-on and capitalizing on the wealth of opportunities, Dubai is well on its way to shaping a brighter future. And as we conclude our journey through Dubai's economic landscape, we can confidently say that the city's future looks incredibly promising. So, remember to stay tuned for more captivating insights here on Good to Know. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to join us on our next adventure. Until then, keep seeking knowledge, stay inspired, and remember, it's always good to know.